Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to start a successful Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute 6 steps to start a successful Shopify store. Step 1, build your Shopify store. First, you have to go to the Shopify website and register. The best thing is to start a 14-day free trial. To get started, you obviously need your email address and your store name. That could be anything you like, either your brand name or the products you want to sell. It only needs to be unique. Shopify won't allow you to create a store with a name that already exists. But don't worry, if you don't have a fancy name yet, you can always change it later. Step 2, add important content. Apart from your products, there are also few more things you need to add to your Shopify store. These are about us, contact us, refund, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping information. Step 3, get a domain name. Your default domain name includes .myshopify. Technically, you can leave it like that, but for a more professional look, I recommend you to get your own domain. Step 4, add products to your Shopify store. Step 5, create your Shopify store design. And this is the final step, launch your Shopify store. You can launch your Shopify store with 14-day free trial, or you can select a Shopify premium plan, and the plan is start from $29 per month. And you can see more information about Shopify packages on their official website. So this was the way we can start successful Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.